So today we're going to try something different. So I'm going to have my colleague Yogi Kishore. Say hi, Yogi.
Hi. Hi.
So I'm going to have my colleague Yogi, who's going to talk about Smile 30 on the way, and who's going to take us through the entire journey. So we've made curd rice today, and we're going to give to 30 people in and around Bhadrachalam. Chalo. So Yogi, you've been there with Smile 30 from the beginning.
Yes,
So if you can just take us through our journey, so what all we have been going through, and how it has emerged over the last 2 years.
Yeah, hi. Smile 30 is it's a very cool initiative taken by BCM Finance. So I'm happy to be part of it. So I still clearly remember that how this particular journey has been started. A few of our friends has just thought to distribute some food to the needy people who are around in Bhadrachalam. So it was just started like a small petty initiative. So after that, friends have been gathered. They just started giving some good ideas. So then we just split into some teams: cooking team, distribution team, and like purchasing of groceries and all. So really, it's been very nice that when friends come over and participate in such kind of initiatives for a good cause. So really, it's give a kind of satisfaction to everyone that at least we are part of this particular society to do something for the society, and especially for the poor, needy people. So distribution some food, and every Sunday we just gather and we just plan. We cook, we distribute, and the good part in this is that so we don't buy the food from the places where so in hotels and all. So we just cook ourselves. So there itself it shows that so how good people are in participating in such a beautiful thing, and I am happy that I am part of it, and so we'll continue this journey.
So Yogi, who has cooked this time? So today, what are we going to distribute?
So today the team is Jyoti, Baburao and Dhananjay. They just cook food, and today the menu is Daddojanam along with
Curd rice. Yeah.
Curd rice along with neem pickle. So which is very good combination. Really, I used to like it very much when my mom cooked this particular Pirganam along with the neem pickle. So today it is going to be a big day, definitely. Yeah, waiting for that.
I think we're coming across the first one who is probably going to get the curd packet. So Yogi, so probably you can 1 second. Yeah, let's stop a little in front.
You just
Yeah.
it's not coming down. Amma.
Yogi, how do you guys go about distributing the food? I mean, you give to anybody, or it's like
No, it's not. There is no specific agenda for that. We just roam around in and around Sarapaka, Bhadrachalam, and wherever we found these needy people, we simply stop and we'll say hi, and we'll just hand over some good food to them, and we'll say that have a nice day. That's it.
But we're actually very curious. Why is it that you guys don't want to buy anything and you want to cook it yourself?
No, thing is that it gives a kind of satisfaction when we prepare food for a good cause. So it gives a kind of immense pleasure to someone that if we made something with our own hands, and when we feel that definitely it is going to be help for someone. So really, I think it's a needy thing.
Okay. So, do you find people very easily, or you have to search a lot?
It all depends upon our good day. Sometimes we found very easily. Sometimes we far people, needy people, a bit far. But still, we don't lose any hope. We will take some time and we'll go.
What are the different types of dishes you have like distributed so far? I mean,
so sometimes we cook tomato rice, sometimes veg biryani, sometimes chakra pongali, sometimes kat pongali. Usually we cook mainly rice type. So with having a little spicy. So with all vegetable mix and with all ingredients, which is good for health and all. So it's not specific. That mainly we'll go with rice item.
okay. And what is
Pulihara.
Okay. And who is your chief cook and all that?
So I must say that he is none other than Mr. Baburao, G. Baburao. So who is very dedicated in this. Really, he loves to cook in every Sunday. So no matter what, he loves to do that, and he gives a kind of boosting to all of us that sometimes we learn also from him. But we tried so many times, but there is something magic in his hands. So I don't know whether because of the good cause, the taste of the food will be outstanding. I can say that because we too had many times the taste of the food. So the whole credit goes to Mr. Baburao.
Okay. So there's one person there.
So vehicles are.
That's,
So how this particular thing will not come?
which one? Yeah, you can get one. Bhadrachalam is known for the temple area, and we are entering the temple area, so we find a lot of people here. There's one lady there.
You can open that window and you can use that. Amma?
Perugannamma. How was the feeling, Yogi? So we have given all the
Awesome.
all the packets.
By Lord Rama's grace, so we just completed all the good food to good and needy people.
Yes.
So today it was an amazing day and it's a meaningful day, that I can say. So today I have done a.
Many people
No,
ask.
not me. Today team has done a wonderful job.
Yes.
It's a very good team.
Many people ask, where do you guys get the money from? So how do you get the resources for this?
No, really one thing I have to tell that money, because Lord Rama's wish, so no, many people feel that so only by
Actually
contributing.
enjoying the dish.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're saying something.
Yeah, many people think that so only if we contribute money, then only we can be part of this particular good event and all. It's not like that. So Smile 30, the team will never ask any money to any of the individual. It's all about their wish. Suppose if a person wants to celebrate his birthday and he will contribute. Suppose if you want to celebrate something, suppose if he's happy, so he will contribute something. So few people will contribute rice and a few people will contribute vegetable groceries. So it's a different thing. It's not about money. So Lord Rama will take care of that, which we feel.
Yeah.
So
amazing, Yogi. So it's another successful day of
Yeah, thanks,
Smile 30.
thanks
And,
to Srinath, you also, and thanks to the team, Baburao, Jyoti.
So thank you guys. It's an awesome day. It's another successful day for Smile 30.
Yeah, meet you on Sunday.